Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to take you inside a world that only a handful of people on this planet can ever truly experience. This isn't just any SUV, it's the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Mansory, a machine so rare, so bold, and so drenched in luxury that it doesn't just carry you down the road, it makes the road bow down to you. Now let's be honest, when you think of Rolls-Royce, you already think of ultra-luxury, but when Mansory steps in, they don't just enhance the vehicle, they transform it into something that feels like it belongs in a billionaire's garage or maybe even a royal palace on wheels. This Cullinan Mansory isn't about transportation, it's about domination, presence, and a lifestyle that says, I don't just have wealth, I live beyond limits. The design is the first thing that knocks you back. The massive grille, the bold carbon fiber accents, and those aggressive Mansory-styled lines turn this Cullinan into something completely unique. It's not just a Rolls anymore, it's a beast wearing a tuxedo. Every panel screams bespoke craftsmanship. The carbon hood, the redefined bumper, the giant 24-inch forged wheels, they don't just add presence, they announce it. This is the kind of SUV that can't park anywhere without becoming the main attraction. Step inside, and the story gets even more dramatic. Mansory has reimagined the interior with a mix of the finest leathers, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and even custom embroidery. The seats feel more like royal thrones, stitched and sculpted to absolute perfection. The starlight headliner above you sparkles like the night sky, but Mansory pushes it even further with new lighting details, unique trim, and personalization options that make sure no two Cullinan Mansorys are ever the same. This isn't just luxury, it's individuality wrapped in the rarest fabrics and finishes. And then comes the performance. Under that carbon fiber hood lies a twin-turbo V12 engine, tuned by Mansory to produce a jaw-dropping amount of power. We're talking over 600 horsepower, and torque so massive that this 6,000-pound SUV surges forward like a sports car. It's silent when you want it to be, floating like a magic carpet, but unleash it and the Cullinan Mansory roars like a beast breaking free from its cage. Its refinement and savagery perfectly combined, and no competitor in the ultra-luxury space comes close to this balance. The technology? As futuristic as it gets. A digital cockpit that feels like a command center, endless rear seat entertainment, voice control that actually understands you, and of course, the kind of sound system that turns the cabin into your private concert hall. Everything is designed to make life easier, smoother, and yes, more indulgent. But here's the part that makes it truly outrageous: the price. A standard Rolls-Royce Cullinan is already a statement at around $400,000, but when Mansory works, their magic, that price easily crosses the $1 million mark depending on customization. And that's why this SUV isn't just for the rich, it's for billionaires. This isn't about buying a car, it's about owning a symbol of status that almost nobody else in the world can touch. The 2026 Cullinan Mansory is more than a vehicle. It's a rolling masterpiece. It's an empire on wheels. It's proof that luxury has no limits, only the imagination and the bank account to match it. And whether you love it or call it outrageous, one thing's for sure: the 2026 Cullinan Mansory will always stand above every other SUV as the ultimate king of the road. So, what do you think? Is this SUV pure dream material? Or is it too extreme for even the wealthiest among us? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Mansory, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of our journey through the most insane luxury machines on the planet.